Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you're doing amazing. It's Nora here, and today I'm bringing you something super exciting, the Pharaoh's Secret. This is a manifestation program that claims to take things beyond the typical law of attraction, diving deep into ancient Egyptian wisdom. Before you hit that buy button, stick around till the end, because I've got some critical info you don't want to miss. Especially if you're serious about not wasting your cash. First things first, watch out where you're buying this from. The only place to grab the Pharaoh's Secret is from the official website. To keep things simple, I've put the link in the description and pinned it in the comments, so make sure you use it if you're interested. Don't get scammed by fake sites. Now, what's this program all about? The Pharaoh's Secret is a digital manifestation course built on an ancient Egyptian ritual designed to unlock wealth and abundance. Unlike the law of attraction, this method takes a spiritual yet practical approach to crush limiting beliefs and help you finally manifest the life you've always dreamed of. Sounds like a game changer, right? Here's where it gets even more interesting. The creator behind this program claims that it's a blend of faith and this ancient ritual that led to his own success. After years of using this secret, he's finally making it available to the public, and over 100,000 people have already jumped on board. So, how does it work? The Pharaoh's Secret is designed to help you break free from the subconscious blocks holding you back. We all have limiting beliefs, and this program helps you identify and shatter them. The goal is to get your mind, body, and energy aligned so you can manifest the success you've been craving. And here's the best part. This program, which used to sell for $1,000, is now available for just $37. Yep, you heard that right. A one-time payment for lifetime access with no hidden fees or recurring subscriptions. Now, I know some of you are wondering, what if it doesn't work? Well, no worries. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied for any reason, just contact their support team and you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. It's literally risk-free. So, what's included in the Pharaoh's Secret? It taps into ancient Egyptian wisdom to manifest wealth and abundance. Why is it so effective? The techniques are unlike anything else out there, and that's why people can't stop talking about it. What if it doesn't work? No stress, just ask for a refund. Simple as that. How soon can you see results? It really depends on you. Some people notice changes immediately, while others may need a bit more time. That's it for my review of the Pharaoh's Secret. If you're ready to unlock your true potential and manifest abundance, this might just be what you need. Just remember, grab it from the official link in the description or pinned comment to avoid any shady deals. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future reviews. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.